I just got my dirt bike and I'm gonna show you guys it. Here it is. It's a 110 and I forgot what kind it is, so I'm still forgot what kind it is, but if you couldn't get that good of a view, here's another view, and I'll post another video of me tomorrow, maybe tomorrow.